Hey everyone, I'm Elin at KARDS. I'm here to share with you some details about the many exciting things arriving in the spring release coming to KARDS in the latter half of March. Since 2023, we've been preparing for the spring release to include a whole heap of various improvements. These include several things that we've been excited to update since the UI update last year, and some other things we've had on our wish list for an extended period. As we moved forward with planning the spring release and all the things we would manage to fit into it, we also identified several larger things which we wanted to bring to the game. Some of these major points we've already reviewed in other videos and dev blogs, which you can find on the KARDS YouTube page or KARDS.com website. We encourage you to take a look at these if you haven't already. These review the subjects of Battle UI enhancements, Battle Ready decks, Friends Panel enhancements, as well as reinforcements which will be arriving from the reserve pool and card balancing. Which leaves us with the many more smaller things we'll be bringing you in addition to these larger points, some of which we'd like to especially highlight here. Let's start with something that might make our most dedicated veteran KARDS players very excited. National progress levels are increasing from the current maximum 350 and up to a whopping 500. Enjoy working your way through 150 new levels. We're also adding various new tooltips, primarily to the deck builder and collection interface, which will assist in increasing the clarity of all the buttons and their functionality. We also have some UX improvements for users on both PC and mobile. For example, on PC we've added the ability to use the escape key to return to the game's main screen from any interface. On mobile we've added the ability to double tap to add a card to your deck in the deck builder. Another UI improvement coming to the deck interface is an indicator clearly showing when you've reached the maximum number of decks, eliminating any confusion about why players are unable to create more decks when the maximum has already been reached. We've enhanced the KARDS account login screen and are also adding various enhancements to the new player experience, including brand new curated new player missions. As always, this update will include a bunch of bug fixes, which will include various fixes in the battle scene, the UI, deck builder, localization fixes, and more. We also introduce a few small optimization tweaks to improve performance. Both of these are ongoing efforts in KARDS which we continue to work on for every release. These points and so many more will be arriving with the spring release, which we are incredibly excited to bring you in the latter half of March. Make sure to keep an eye out for the patch notes for the full breakdown of all the brand new features, enhancements, and tweaks arriving to KARDS this March. Thanks for tuning in and see you on the battlefield of KARDS.